So when it really, really rains hard for a while, it comes down the walk, up onto the porch, across this spot that I'm trying to get the dirt raised up. And then look at this, it's like a little river. It's up on the porch on this side. And it's rushing real hard on that side, and then it gets carried away. So that's a bit of an issue. Same thing's happening here. It's coming down pretty fast. And I don't even know where it goes to. Away, I guess. And then up here, we've got it rushing down. The pathway is like a river, collecting all through here and forming quite the puddle here, pushing up against the house a bit there. Yeah, oh, and the fire pit's filling up like a little pond. Phew. And then as it fills up high enough, it's pushing through the cracks and down the sidewalk to the street. That's what's happening here. I've got some work to do. The box is floating, so there's a decent amount of water underneath it. So, dismantling this and getting it to be a water holding spot is going to be pretty critical. I may have to move this tire to trench something from this path into it. And then this walkway may continue to be water carrier. That would be fine. That would be very fine. I would just have to trench it out a little better. Probably pull a lot of what's there up in order to get this gully a little bit farther away. So, yep. That's annoying. No wonder my porch is having problems in the winter. Blah. Okay, bye. The storm just won't stop. It keeps changing directions and going back and forth. It's just all dumping right here because it's not that big. I've seen both ends of it. But it just keeps like going one way and then coming back the other. And it's just like this way and then that way and then this way and then that way. And the rain direction changes and then it goes straight down and then it changes and then it goes straight down. So like I think we're just getting a lot of one storm that's not that big. Oh well, here we are anyhow. Happy July. It's July 2nd, 2018. And my cats are doing that. Yeah, you. Oh, well, I guess I better grab some catnip or you'll be very disappointed. Alright, well. I don't know. Bye.